Alright guys, I have to say Bitcoin is looking bullish. If you watched the last video I put out, I gave you the bearish scenario and the bullish scenario. So at the point, I think we were down here somewhere, and I said there's two possibilities. I'm waiting to see if we get above this yellow line. If we're above this yellow line, I'm bullish. So I said potentially we could come down and test. I think it was around 10,400. So if we came down, we found support, we found resistance, we broke through the support, we would come down, we would test here. This is the point I'd buy in. The other scenario is if we come up, we push up, we find resistance and support, we get enough momentum to push through and then come down and find support right here and then push back up, I would be bullish on Bitcoin. It seems that that second, the bullish scenario is playing out. Guys, I'm in it to win it. I'm in right here. My stop loss is right below, so if we drop below this, I'm out. Again, my stance has not changed. If we're below this yellow line, I'm bearish. As long as we're above this, I'm bullish up to 14K. Keep in mind, we will have resistance levels on the way up. For instance, if we push up, you will get rejected here at this line. Let me give you this price target. It's this line. If we come down and find support again, that is even more bullish, guys. As long as we stay above this yellow line, I am in. If you push up, you will get rejected at this point. You will come down, you'll find support. You might play around in this channel for a bit. If we push up, this is the point you will get resistance. This is up around in the $14,000 area. If you want the exact number, get the charts. So, as long as that plays out, we are golden. We're going to the moon. But I would like to point out, keep this in mind. We did push above this line right here, this yellow line. This is the support and resistance level that actually goes back to 2011. If we measure this, we did get above this line by 3.11%. Currently, we pushed up by 2.70%. So, it is very possible we come back below here. So if we do, that will make me bearish. And again, you can clearly see how price has been respecting all of these fib channel lines. You can see right here, it was support, resistance, support. Came up as resistance, came back below. Resistance, support, resistance, support. Resistance, resistance, support. So we're totally respecting all of these fib channel lines. So you have targets on the way up and you have targets on the way down. But the main targets I'm looking at, this is the point I will sell when we hit this line to come back down for a major retrace. If we drop, this is the point I will be buying because this is what I consider major support. All of these fib channel lines are based on other fib channel lines. So I hope that sums it up. Guys, you asked me if I'm in right now, seeing if we stay above this point. I would like to point out, let's see here. This is the Bitstamp 072620. If you do follow me on Twitter, make sure you do. It's Optical Art Chart. Attention to this chart. It is the Coinbase weekly chart. As long as we are above this line, I'm in to ride this up to 14,000. Keep in mind, you do have resistance levels. You will get rejected. I was hoping we would come up and hit this point. That would be more bullish for me. We did not hit this point. We didn't quite make it to it and started coming back down. However, since we are holding support on this line, that is bullish for me. So guys, I am in right now to ride this up. But keep in mind, my stop loss is right below this. As soon as we break this line, I expect us to come down. So right now I'm bullish. As long as we're above this line, if we drop below, I'm bearish. Hey guys, this is an emergency update on the price of Bitcoin. I know I just put out a video saying the bull run has started. It looks like the bull run was just canceled. If we take a look at this chart, I really thought we would hold support on this line and the bull run has started and we were going to 14,000. For some reason, I don't know why, this came out of nowhere. It was unexpected, but we broke this support. Now we're dropping. I would like to explain the drop though. I think the reason we're dropping is because we were never in a bull run. We've been in a bear market all along, and maybe because this line is such strong major support and resistance going back since 2011, just because you push above it a bit, you shouldn't get so goddamn bullish and realize we're still in a bear market. This thing is going to crash. Wake up. Bitcoin is not going to the moon. That is why we dropped, and that's why we're dropping now. But that's pretty much it, guys. Until the next video, trade safe, trade smart.